Happy Wins Wednesday. Just wanted to share a couple of things with you. We've had a lot of questions about some of our workshops, and they are very good questions, so I thought I would share them here. The first question, which of our workshops are scheduled and which of them are on demand? What I did is I created some symbols on our courses page and to the icons that we use on social media and other things about each course so that you can see which are which. So this symbol is one that we're using for courses that are on demand, which means that you can take them 24/7. Some of them do have an element where you'll want to schedule a consultation with us, and you're welcome to do that. Or we can do that completely asynchronously. A lot of you guys and ladies are pilots and are traveling around the world and are in different places and everything else. And so you just don't want to be tied down to a schedule. And I totally get that. So those courses that have that little 24 icon on the course, those are ones that are designed for you guys. It's designed to be flexible. So if there's anything that needs to be scheduled, it can be done asynchronously. So, there may be some assignments or other things that you need to turn in, and then we will provide our feedback on that. And you're welcome to schedule a consultation with us if it's convenient for you. And if not, we can do that completely at different times. So we'll accommodate your schedule as much as we can. So the only class that is really schedule dependent is our Aviation Sales Basics course. We had one start in January. We have a couple of corporate courses that are going on where we're working with specific companies on their schedule and things like that. We don't have another course that regular people can enroll in without being part of a company yet, but we will do that as soon as there's enough demand to warrant another one of those classes. And the reason they're schedule dependent is because we do so much role playing. And role playing is one of the best ways to learn sales skills. So that one is pretty schedule dependent. You do have to be someplace where you can commit to a schedule for 12 weeks. That's just part of the deal with that course. That's the only way to get the benefit of that live role playing. Other than that, we try to make as many of our courses 24/7 on demand as possible because we know a lot of you guys are traveling. Okay, so that's question number one. Question number two, which courses are included with memberships? So we have a marketing lab where members pay a monthly fee for our services. And, that includes a retainer, that includes work from us. It includes office hours, consultations with us. And it also includes some marketing hours and other things. So, those marketing lab memberships also include some of our workshops. So some of our members were wondering which of our workshops are included with the lab and which ones do they have to buy separately. So we included this little symbol to let you know which ones are included with the lab and which ones are not. So you are very, very welcome to take as many of those as you like if you're one of our lab members. And if there's anything that you want to do that's not included with the lab, of course, we're happy to do that for you as well. And often we'll give you a discount on those types of things because in some cases, we've done some of that work with you already in the marketing lab. Okay. Last question. Can our workshops be used for PDUs or CEUs or professional continuing education credits or continuing education units, they're sometimes called? And the answer is yes. All of our courses are usable for the Project Management Institute, and we are working on getting them approved with the CAM system with NBAA. So either way, there is a certain number of hours that you can use for those things generically. And if you're in any other program, if you're an accountant or if you're in some other professional program, let's talk about it. And we can probably fill out a form and get these things accredited with your organization so that you do get professional credit for them. And so this little symbol will show you how many hours they are usually good for. And again, this does vary from one institution to another. If you do have questions about that for a specific program, let's talk about it. All right, so that's basically it. I really appreciate the questions about the workshops. I really appreciate the interest in the workshops. They are really, really fun for us to do, and they're really a great way to help companies, especially small companies and individuals, get professional quality marketing results without hiring a Madison Avenue marketing firm and tossing things over the wall and hoping that they get something good back. This is really a collaborative effort, where we're working with you directly and making things happen. So they're some of our favorite things to do, and they really produce some authentic, great, professional quality, polished results that are still you because you're putting in the work. Anyway, thanks for joining us for Wins Wednesday, and we'll see you next week.